rules that an answer might not be completely possible, but we'll get around it. We've done it all day. And we want to know about your favorite pets as well and stuff. But this guy doesn't. He has an actual question.
Yeah, I do. Mr. Weathers, great to meet you and see you here in Holland. I've got a question for you. You're part of 3 very big franchises, Rocky, Predator, Star Wars. How does that feel to be part of such a cinematic universe?
It feels like every other job I've ever done. There's no difference really, except that fans really love those movies, you know, those franchises. And with all of us, I think probably anything that we do, if it's successful, we feel good about it. If it's not successful, and there have been a few of those, you go, geez, I don't know what that's all about. Why'd I make that choice? But those movies that you mentioned, and of course, Mandalorian is not a movie; it's a television series, streaming for Disney Plus. I'm pumping down Disney Plus. Look at that. But you know, a lot of good people, really talented people. And fans have really, really, really just seemed to jump on board. So how can you not love that? You know, I'm just, in that respect, I feel really fortunate to be a part of those shows.
Thank you very much. Thank you.